Very good, very good.
तो मित्तल जी है ना, मेरे मामा है, बालकिशन जी, तो मेरे मामा जी है। पहले वो फोटोग्राफी एक मिनट।
Superman. How's it going? Super. It's good. Outstanding.
हाँ?
Everything about it is outstanding.
अरे आप करो ना। अरे आपको नहीं आता है? उसके साथ नहीं लेना। अरे यार।
He didn't tell you that. I bombarded him with messages. He said, already do it. Of course, yeah, I didn't tell him.
जी म्यूज़िक। रणबीर, आपका एसोसिएशन जी के साथ अभी शुरू हुआ है क्या, किसी तरह का योर टेक ऑन जी एज अ चैनल?
Well, I love the channel. I think it's the first Hindi channel which watch a lot of television series. I love Z Music. I watch the channel a lot. So it's celebrating Z. I think Z on the whole. So I'm glad to be.
रणबीर, सावरिया की सक्सेस के बाद सब लोग एक ही नाम है, रणबीर कपूर एंड एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर एक्टिंग, बट विद दैट इज़ वन मोर थिंग इज़ योर लुक्स। तो रणबीर कपूर किस तरह से ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ले रहे हैं?
बहुत अच्छा महसूस होता है जब लोग आपके काम को पसंद करते हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। इट्स वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग एंड इट्स जस्ट मेकिंग मी वर्क हार्डर फॉर माय नेक्स्ट फिल्म एंड आई होप दैट आई विल लेट पीपल डाउन माय नेक्स्ट फिल्म।
How do you react when some girl comes up to you and tells you, "Oh, you're so cute," or "You're so hot"? Something.
I don't know. I guess it's spontaneous that time. It can make you blush. It can make you embarrassed. It's time to time.
And how romantic is Ranbir Kapoor?
I like to believe that I'm very romantic. I don't know. You probably have to ask my ex-girlfriends over there.
Or real life में sense of humor, are you very naughty? Tell us about you Ranbir Kapoor as a person.
Well, I'm a normal 25-year-old guy. I mean, it's not that I'm different from anybody else. So I'm just a normal guy.
What would be your perfect date?
Perfect date? I think a movie and a dinner.
And a perfect date?
Who would be a perfect date?
Who and where would you like to go for a date? What would be a perfect date?
Oh, I'll probably take Uma Thurman out and take her for a movie and dinner.
Tell me, last question. एक्टर बनते हैं, कंट्रोवर्सीज अपने आप आ जाती हैं, तो आपको भी काफ़ी पहले दीपिका के साथ लिंक किया गया, अब सोनम के साथ, तो इन कंट्रोवर्सीज को आप पहले कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, और दूसरी बात कितनी सच्चाई है इसमें दैट यू वर लिंक्ड अप विद सोनम अभी रिसेंटली?
देखिए, मैं रिएक्ट नहीं करता क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ सच क्या है। Whoever I get linked to, they also know the truth. So it's a part of this industry. It comes in the territory, and I understand that. शुरुआत में I used to wonder that why all of this is happening. You get used to it, and I'm just here to work. I'm not here to get linked up or have fun. I'm here to work, and that's my main priority right now.
Just out of curiosity, Ranbir, my friend was there yesterday at the Bailey's restaurant and he saw you with Katrina. So are you like shooting with her?
Yeah, we had a reading. That's why we went to get a cup of coffee. I'm working on my next film, and she's also part of it.
So you and Katrina are doing a film together?
Well, it stars stars Katrina, Vipasha, Risha Lamba, Deepika Padukone, and myself. So I'm going to start working with her soon right now.
Okay, and one close frame रहना इतना सा, one like and dislike of yours. And if you could just also say it.
Why? Can I come back? I don't have to meet someone.
No, one just Ranbir, come on. I like so and so cars, bikes, movies or whatever. Like. Close लेना ना थोड़ा. I like and I dislike whatever.
Okay. I like football and cinema, and I dislike negativity.
Thank you so much.